आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing? What are you doing? यह क्या है? What is this? What is this? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? आप क्या चाहते हैं? What do you want? What do you want? समय क्या हुआ है? What is the time? What is the time? उसने क्या कहा? What did he say? What did he say? क्या बात है? What is the matter? What is the matter? आप क्या पका रहे हैं? What are you cooking? What are you cooking? आपके पिता का नाम क्या है? What is your father's name? What is your father's name? आपके शौक क्या हैं? What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? इसका क्या मतलब है? What does this mean? What does this mean? मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? आपके बैग में क्या है? What is in your bag? What is in your bag? आप क्या खाएंगे? What will you eat? What will you eat? आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? योजना क्या है? What is the plan? What is the plan? आप क्या काम करते हैं? What do you do? What do you do? आपने क्या खरीदा? What did you buy? What did you buy? तुम्हें क्या परेशानी है? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are you going? Where are you going? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you live? Where do you live? मेरा फोन कहाँ है? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? वॉशरूम कहाँ है? Where is the washroom? Where is the washroom? आप कल कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go yesterday? Where did you go yesterday? वह कहाँ छिपा है? Where is he hiding? Where is he hiding? हमें कहाँ मिलना चाहिए? Where should we meet? Where should we meet? सबसे नजदीकी अस्पताल कहाँ है? Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the nearest hospital? आपका जन्म कहाँ हुआ था? Where were you born? Where were you born? मेरी चाबियाँ कहाँ हैं? Where are my keys? Where are my keys? ये सड़क कहाँ जाती है? Where does this road go? Where does this road go? मुझे पानी कहाँ मिल सकता है? Where can I buy water? Where can I buy water? आपका कार्यालय कहाँ है? Where is your office? Where is your office? आप कहाँ थे? Where have you been? Where have you been? आपने किताब कहाँ रखी? Where did you keep the book? Where did you keep the book? बच्चे कहाँ खेल रहे हैं? Where are the kids playing? Where are the kids playing? रेलवे स्टेशन कहाँ है? Where is the railway station? Where is the railway station? आप कहाँ ठहरेंगे? Where will you stay? Where will you stay? पार्टी कहाँ है? Where is the party? Where is the party? तुम क्यों रो रहे हो? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? तुम्हें देर क्यों हुई? Why are you late? Why are you late? तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? वह नाराज क्यों है? Why is he angry? Why is he angry? तुम हंस क्यों रहे हो? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? तुमने मुझे फोन क्यों किया? Why did you call me? Why did you call me? तुम चुप क्यों हो? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? दरवाजा क्यों खुला है? Why is the door open? Why is the door open? तुम खाना क्यों नहीं खा रहे हो? Why are you not eating? Why are you not eating? तुम चिंता क्यों करते हो? Why do you worry? Why do you worry? वह दुखी क्यों है? Why is she sad? Why is she sad? तुमने झूठ क्यों बोला? Why did you lie? Why did you lie? तुम चिल्ला क्यों रहे हो? Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? इतनी गर्मी क्यों है? Why is it so hot? Why is it so hot? तुमने अपनी नौकरी क्यों छोड़ी? Why did you quit your job? Why did you quit your job? तुम वहां क्यों खड़े हो? Why are you standing there? Why are you standing there? तुम्हें ये क्यों पसंद है? Why do you like this? Why do you like this? तुमने अभी तक शुरू क्यों नहीं किया? Why haven't you started yet? Why haven't you started yet? यह महत्वपूर्ण क्यों है? Why is this important? Why is this important? तुम क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Why are you asking? Why are you asking? तुम कौन हो? Who are you? Who are you? वह कौन है? Who is he? Who is he? तुम्हें किसने बताया? Who told you? Who told you? आज कौन आ रहा है? Who is coming today? Who is coming today? तुम्हारा सबसे अच्छा दोस्त कौन है? Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? दरवाजे पर कौन है? Who is at the door? Who is at the door? मैच किसने जीता? Who won the match? Who won the match? मेरी मदद कौन कर सकता है? Who can help me? Who can help me? किसे परवाह है? Who cares? Who cares? कौन चिल्ला रहा है? Who is shouting? Who is shouting? ये किसने बनाया? Who made this? Who made this? मालिक कौन है? Who is the owner? Who is the owner? वे कौन है? Who are they? Who are they? मेरे साथ कौन जाएगा? Who will go with me? Who will go with me? तुम्हारा शिक्षक कौन है? Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? गिलास किसने तोड़ा? Who broke the glass? Who broke the glass? तुम्हें किसने फोन किया? Who called you? Who called you? इसका जिम्मेदार कौन है? Who is responsible for this? Who is responsible for this? तुम किससे मिलना चाहते हो? Who do you want to meet? Who do you want to meet? खाना किसने पकाया? Who cooked the food? Who cooked the food? क्यों हमसे मिलने नहीं आते हो? क्यों हमसे मिलने नहीं आते हो? Thanks for watching this video.